Let's decor our homes with some beautiful houseplants, and they are amazing and green. If you are a person who loves to keep your home with decorative beautiful plants, these plant suggestions are for you. So hold on and you watch until the end to know all the types of plants that you can keep as houseplants. Varieties of indoor plants. Another beautiful house plant, a green lush looking one. Ideal as an indoor plant. Look at this, more punk. Low maintenance and permanent. Enjoy the beautiful house plants today. Look at these peperonia. Here we have the other plants, all green and beautiful. Look at this Dracaena varieties. Varieties of indoor plants. Home decor plants.